Hi there! Today we have the launch of View's new flagship TV, the 85-inch QLED Smart TV. It's huge, smart and packed with features. It has the dream specs you want in any smart TV. Trust me, it ticks everything you want in a TV and even more. But of course, it comes at a price. Let's deep dive inside all the details. I'll also give you a quick hands-on experience. I'll also share the price towards the end of this video, so stay tuned. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So here's a quick look at the specifications. 85-inch QLED 4K Smart TV, Cortex A55 1.4 GHz quad-core CPU, 2 GB RAM with 16 GB internal storage, 1000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, full array local dimming, HDR10, HLG and Dolby Vision support, 50 watt built-in soundbar, Android TV 9 OS and it's upgradable to Windows 10. Okay, so the biggest pro of this TV is the display, which is unarguably the most important component of this TV. It's a 10-bit QLED panel which can accurately reproduce over 1 billion colors. It has a 4K resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. It has a peak brightness of 1000 nits, which makes it ideal to watch HDR10 Dolby Vision footage. And trust me, the colors just pop on this huge display. The TV has a full array backlight and supports 256 local dimming zones. To put it in simple terms, each of these zones can be switched on and off individually for much greater control, making darker scenes achieve deeper blacks and brighter areas more well lit, giving you a more immersive viewing experience. The display supports 120 Hz refresh rate with MEMC support, so you get buttery smooth videos. Trust me, seeing is believing. It's actually that smooth. Of course, for hardcore gamers, it's paradise. Here's a short gameplay on PS4, one of the smoothest gaming experience in a very long time. Definitely the first on such a huge screen. Anyone who enjoys gaming or watching sports channels is gonna love the high refresh rate on this TV. When it comes to the display, it nails literally everything. 1000 nits brightness, HDR10, Dolby Vision, full array backlight with local dimming and 120 Hz refresh rate. It's clearly a pioneer in the display department. Moving to the build. It's a huge TV that weighs 50 kgs. The bezels on the three sides are super slim and the color is called Armani Gold, which is kind of a mix of rose gold and champagne gold. The bottom bezel also has a similar finish and houses a 6-speaker setup, which we shall come to later. View branding at the center, beautifully designed metal stands for better stability if you place the TV on a table. The ports are towards the back and again it has everything you need. 4 HDMI ports, out of which one supports HDMI ARC, 2 USB ports, headphone jack, Ethernet, AV input, antenna and optical. Rest, the back is clean and the build quality is solid. Coming to the remote, oh, it's gorgeous, compact and slim metal build. There are shortcut keys at the bottom for apps like Netflix, Prime Videos, YouTube, Google Play and Disney Hotstar. There are also shortcut keys for cinema mode, cricket mode, Dolby Vision, DTS Virtual X, and on the top is everyone's favorite, the Google Voice Assistant. Overall, the build quality of the remote is truly impressive. It's running the Android TV 9 OS, which will be upgradable to Android 10 soon. The device comes pre-installed with Netflix, Prime Videos, Disney Hotstar, YouTube and some more Google apps. It has access to the Google Play Store from where you can download over 5,000 apps. You can also download games from here. Some games might need gamepad, but some will still work with the TV remote. The TV also comes with screen sharing, so you can mirror any Android phone to this huge 85-inch QLED display in seconds. It's unbelievable seeing your phone mirror to such a huge panel. It connects over direct Wi-Fi, drastically reducing latency and keeps the mirroring very smooth. It comes with 16 GB internal storage, out of which 11 GB is usable. So when it comes to the OS, you have all the apps you need. With Android TV OS, it runs completely lag-free. On Netflix, it clearly shows it supports HDR and Dolby Vision content. The app runs without any hiccups. I also played some content from the pen drive and it supports all formats natively. It's a delight to watch your local content on the screen. But here comes the best part. The TV is optionally upgradable to all-in-one Windows 10 based system, which View fondly calls Meeting with View. So you can use the TV to work with variety of apps including Zoom, Microsoft Teams and Cisco WebEx. With the upgrade, you get these attachments in a box, a 4K webcam that comes with 4x digital zoom, a wireless keyboard with trackpad to type and navigate, a wireless conferencing mic which comes with noise cancelling, perfect for those hand-free conferences, and here is the remote. You also have an option to pick another camera, which you can turn and move in literally any direction using the remote. This too is a 4K camera, but this one comes with 15x optical zoom. Here is a Zoom call demo. Imagine those meetings and conferences on an 85-inch canvas. Absolutely jaw-dropping. The Windows hardware and software upgrade will be done by View itself. You can reach out to the customer care or the View website to know more about its cost. The feeling of using a huge QLED TV display as a PC is absolutely surreal. Yeah, this is totally dope tech.
And finally, the sound. View made sure you get everything right in this TV. It has 50-watt built-in soundbar which comprises of 6 speakers including 2 sets of woofers and tweeters for deep bass and crystal clear highs. Check this out.
Time to unleash the beast.
Alright, finally the price. The 85-inch View QLED Smart TV is priced at 3,50,000, which you can get from View offline stores only currently. If you need to upgrade to the Meeting with View Windows OS option, you can also contact the customer care or the offline stores for that. I'll leave the links and the phone number of the customer care in the description for your reference. So guys, I hope you really like this video. If there are any questions, feel free to mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.